Flying is considered one of the safest modes of transportation, but aviation has witnessed its fair share of tragedies. Some plane crashes have not only claimed countless lives, but also changed the aviation industry forever. Today, we'll explore the 6 biggest plane crashes in history, uncovering their causes and the lessons learned. Stick around for number 6. It remains one of the most mysterious aviation disasters of all time. Number 1. Tenerife Airport Disaster, 1977. The Tenerife Airport disaster is the deadliest aviation accident in history, claiming the lives of 583 people. 2 Boeing 747s collided on the runway of Tenerife North Airport in the Canary Islands. The disaster was caused by a series of miscommunications, dense fog, and the tragic decision of one captain to take off without clearance. This tragedy led to major changes in aviation, including improved cockpit communication and standardized phrases like "Roger" and "Stand by." Number 2. Japan Airlines Flight 123, 1985. Second on our list is Japan Airlines Flight 123, the deadliest single aircraft accident in history, with 520 fatalities. The Boeing 747 suffered a catastrophic mechanical failure when a rear pressure bulkhead burst, causing an explosive decompression. Despite the pilot's heroic attempts to stabilize the plane, it crashed into a mountain. The incident revealed critical maintenance issues and highlighted the importance of stringent inspection protocols in aviation. Number 3. Charkhi Dadri, mid-air collision, 1996. In 1996, the skies over India witnessed the horrific Charkhi Dadri mid-air collision, involving a Saudi Arabian Airlines flight and a Kazakhstan Airlines flight. The crash killed all 349 people on board both planes, making it one of the deadliest mid-air collisions ever. Investigations pointed to communication issues and a lack of modern air traffic control systems. This tragedy led to stricter airspace management and mandatory use of collision avoidance systems. Number 4. Turkish Airlines Flight 981, 1974. Next is Turkish Airlines Flight 981, a DC-10, en route from Paris to London. The aircraft crashed after a cargo door blew off, causing explosive decompression and the loss of control. The crash killed all 346 passengers and crew. Investigations revealed a design flaw in the cargo door latches. This incident forced manufacturers to redesign cargo doors and enhance safety features in commercial aircraft. Number 5. Air India Flight 182, 1985. Fifth on our list is Air India Flight 182, a Boeing 747 that tragically exploded mid-air due to a bomb placed on board. The attack, carried out by Sikh extremists, killed all 329 passengers and crew. This disaster remains one of the deadliest acts of aviation terrorism. It underscored the importance of stringent security checks and intelligence sharing between nations to prevent such tragedies. Number 6. Malaysia Airlines Flight MH370, 2014. Finally, we have the mysterious case of Malaysia Airlines Flight MH370. This Boeing 777 disappeared en route from Kuala Lumpur to Beijing, with 239 people on board. Despite extensive search efforts, only fragments of the plane have been found, and its disappearance remains one of aviation's greatest mysteries. Theories range from mechanical failure to deliberate sabotage, but the truth remains elusive. MH370 highlights the need for improved tracking systems for aircraft. These were the 6 biggest plane crashes in history, each one leaving a mark on the aviation industry and on the hearts of those affected. While these tragedies remind us of the fragility of life, they have also led to advancements that make flying safer than ever before. Which of these stories impacted you the most? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fascinating videos on 6 points of everything. Stay safe, and we'll see you in the next video. Subscribe for more stories that inform and inspire.